Hi, I'm Dr. Rebecca Angus from Richmond, Virginia, and I brought my team down to the Pain and Sleep Symposium here in Atlanta, Georgia, with Dr. Patel and Rose Nierman, and we just had a fabulous time with their team, learning about the collaboration, especially between dentists and other sleep physicians, the ENT and neurologists. Just really high quality lectures, really great education to kind of take us to that next level with their communication with their referring doctors.
Hello, I'm Lisa Martin from Richmond, Virginia, and we've been using practice management software from DentalWriter for approximately 5 years. It has been an excellent software. We've been able to successfully bill to medical insurance companies and get reimbursement. Not only that, but we've also been able to document and use the charting module to be able to build wonderful letters to provide to our physicians to keep everyone in the same circle of communication. It's excellent for our patients to be able to go to any office and then for that physician to know what we have done in our practice. It's a wonderful software and we recommend it highly.